Hello and welcome to today's tech tip. Today we're going to be talking about the isolate function that's in the programming browser. Actually, it's in the right-click menu in the programming browser. So you can see I've got on the screen here a big program here with lots of measurements all over the place. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to focus in on one of the measurements that I've got so many measurements in this area that it's kind of hard to see what's going on. So I just kind of want to focus on the one measurement that I want to edit. So that happens to be this guy right here, this circle inner 16. If I click on it, you can see it flashes. Let me do that again. You can see it clicked on it. It's this guy, this circle measurement right in there. So what I want to do is I'm going to highlight him in the programming browser, and then I'm going to right click. And once I've done that, then I'm going to go up here and say isolate. And when I click on that, you can see it hides the entire program except for that one feature. Now I can zoom in, and if I want to go in and make any kind of edits, maybe I want to just, move some features around in it. Now I can do that. So this segment is still open, and all of these features are still there. It just hid everything other than this one circle measurement. So if I want to bring everything back now, I can just go up to the segment level. I'll just click on that, and then I'll right click that, and then of course I can just go and do unhide segment and bring everything back. So if there's one feature and if your screen's looking kind of messy with a lot of measurements and CAD geometry or whatever, you just want to isolate that one measurement so that you can see it. Definitely that isolate function is a great little function. Thanks for watching and have a great day.